film this for the channel. We are on our way home, and we are having insane winds, like I'm being blown off the road. We're talking 60 mile an hour, 70 mile an hour straight line winds, and it's like a dust bowl. We are in a red flag warning or whatever, so we're not allowed to burn garbage or anything because it's so dry. And this is pretty nuts how bad the visibility is. So just thought I would share with you guys. There's crazy weather everywhere in the world. Getting better because we're getting closer to a small town here. Not where we live, but we're on our way home. So anyways, we'll talk to you guys later.
There's a fire truck, and that makes sense because of the fire hazard that we have.
So irony, I was just saying that we are in a red flag warning, and we come into this small town, and the fire truck is flashing here, heading out. So I had saw fire on my way into town that was spreading. You could see the, but I don't know how bad it was. It'll be on the news or something, but I saw it on the way into town to get the kids from school. I'm gonna start just filling up all tons of extra jugs, have extra water on hand for watering the garden and stuff, because if anything crazy goes on because of the world we're living in and we don't have running water to water things this year, like last year at this time, all of our fields were full, like they look like mini lakes, and this year
it's dry.
There's nothing. It's insane.
Okay, so we are coming out of town now, and the wind is terrible, and it's literally just white. Like you can't see anything. That's just from dust.
Yeah.
Look at that. All just from dust.
Yeah.
You can't barely see. There's tree lines over back there.
You can't see hardly.
And you can't, or yeah, you literally can't see anything. It's just dusty as heck.
So when we get home, we'll show you what it looks like at home outside. And then today it got to 78 degrees was the high. 78. Okay, y'all. At North Dakota, 78 right now, and then tomorrow high is 34. But not normal.
Nope.
I mean, it has been known to happen from time to time, but all of this all together,
Not normal. It started getting colder now. What were you saying?
nothing. You
Can you
tell them
say
what
goodbye?
you saw on the way to school today.
Oh yeah, I saw a meteorite thingy. I saw like a white thing coming down from the sky, and I was like, ooh.
And then it disappeared.
And then it disappeared. It was like coming. I saw it going in the sky, and I saw it getting lower and lower, and it was just getting more faint. You could only see like a little bit of like a white. It wasn't like a white streak. Like you could see it was like something coming down, and I knew it wasn't like a plane or anything, or like a jet or anything, because it wasn't moving. It was just staying. Like it wasn't getting longer. It was just staying at the same length, and it was just going down. But like it wasn't leaving a trail or anything. It was just staying white there, and it was weird. So yeah. Views. You want to say goodbye?
Okay. Bye. We'll give you the update once we get back to the farm. Bye.
Go.
Hello. Well, we're home now. Not much to see. The wind switched from the southeast wind to a northwest wind, and we have a northwest shelter belt, so the wind's not too bad like it was earlier. So there's the chickens. Anywho, so we're home. You want to go show a video of some chickens?
I'm gonna go get a video of the chicky chicks. Oh, hi, snuggly girls. Hey, snuggly girls. Yeah, snuggly girls. Yeah. I love you, snuggly girls. Yeah. Hi. There's Pepper. Look, his comb has gotten so much better. Yeah, Midnight. Your comb. Look at your comb. Look, he has no blood. Look at his comb. His comb isn't black anymore.
I know, it's so their combs have healed because they're not fighting each other anymore. So we're not going to
it's okay.
get rid of one of them now. I'm glad we didn't run into it.
Hi.
Rush into Chip.
Hi.
Well, that's North Dakota windstorm right now. We'll talk to you later.
Bye.